Hello, cellos. Today we're going to be working on page 31 in Essential Elements, Book 2. And on this page, we are learning about triplets. Now, if you are in a meter that normally has the beat subdivided into duple eighth notes, so that would be 2, 4, 3, 4, or 4, 4, you normally count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and they want you to subdivide a beat into 3 instead of 2 eighth notes. They put in what we call triplets. So if you look at the page here, you'll notice that the eighth notes are beamed together in groups of 3, and there is a number 3 under or over the beam, and that tells you that that is a triplet, so 3 notes in one beat instead of 2 eighth notes in one beat. So it's actually a different note value than regular eighth notes. How we count that, in the book they're suggesting 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Or you could say 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a would be another way to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll get the feel of this with number 136, Rhythm Rap. Made sense to you. We'll go ahead now and we'll play the D major scale with triplets, number 137. Now, normally in a piece of music, if every single beat is subdivided in triplets, they'll go ahead and put it in a different meter, such as 6/8, or you could also do 9/8 with 3 beats of triplets, or 12/8. But on this page, they're just using the triplet eighth notes, showing you how these rhythms would be notated if you are in a simple meter such as 2, 4, 3, 4, or 4, 4, and how that would indicate that that particular beat is subdivided into 3. And often when you see triplets in a piece, it's not going to be all the beats that are using triplets. There will be also some duple eighth notes, and maybe even some 16th notes in that piece. Let's go ahead and keep moving with number 138, On the Move. Good, and the next one, number 139, actually has the same notes as 138, but with slurs, so you're keeping the bow moving while you do the triplets. Like that. All right, good. Now we'll go ahead and move on to number 140. This one is called Triplet Etude. Excellent. And number 141 is the same thing, but this time with slurs. And the last one on this page, 142, is called Field Song. And notice that there are some staccato quarter notes in this one, so make sure that you make the ones with dots on them nice and short and separated. good, and that does it for page 31. Triplets are actually quite common in your music, so it's really important to know that as we're navigating our music, we're not always going to be using the same subdivision of the beat in every piece that we play. And so knowing how to play with the triplets, with a triplet feel, is really, really important in music. So good luck and happy practicing.